Another example when you want to combine integral and trigonometry. Integral sin x cos x times dx. How can you do this one? I will give you two ways for solving this expression. The first one, I want to use the formula of trigonometry. When you got trigonometry of double angle sine 2x, you got 2 times sine x and time with cos x in here. When you have only sine x times cos x, so you will have sine x times cos x, it means sine 2x divided by 2 equal to sine x times cos x. So for this one, sine x times cos x times dx is mean sine 2x divided by 2 times dx. I have 1.5 here, 1 over 2 here, so is it a square number? No, sorry, it is the coefficient or scale factor. I will move it outside the integral like this. And one more time, this one, I want to change dx become to the 2x. So I will multiply 2. Multiply 2 in this position, I have to divide 2 one more time. So after that, 1 over 2 here and 1 over 2 here, you got 1 over 4. Integral sine 2x times the 2x. Yeah. And then you will got negative 1 over 4 times cos 2x. Okay, this is my answer.